You probably use Gmail every single day, but what you might not realize is that right now, an artificial intelligence is actively reading, scanning, and analyzing every single word of your private correspondence. If you have ever seen Gmail suggest a quick reply at the bottom of a message or automatically finish your sentence while you were typing, that does not happen by magic. For those features to work, Google's AI has to read everything. And when your inbox is full of sensitive bank statements, medical records, and ID details, that is a massive privacy risk. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. Today, we are talking about the ultimate trade-off between slight convenience and total privacy. I'm going to show you exactly how these AI features work, why they are mostly useless anyway, and the zero BS steps to turn them off permanently. Let's lock down your inbox. Let's be objective here. Google packages these AI trackers under the label Smart Features. But are they actually helping you? First, you have Smart Replies, those generic, pre-written buttons at the bottom of an email. I rarely use them. Then you have Smart Compose, which tries to guess your next word as you type. Half the time, it gets it completely wrong. You also have Nudges, those annoying reminders telling you to reply to a dead conversation from 3 weeks ago. And finally, you have Email Categorization, which is supposed to sort your primary, social, and promo tabs. More often than not, this AI just throws critical, time-sensitive emails straight into your spam folder where you never see them. While a few features, like the automatic unsubscribe button, are admittedly nice, the cost is simply too high. For any of this to work, the AI must have unrestricted access to read and analyze not only the emails you receive, but the private messages you write to other people. If you are like me and you value your digital privacy over a robot guessing your next word, we need to kill this connection right now. Grab your phone and open the Gmail app. In the upper left-hand corner, tap the 3 horizontal lines to open your menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Settings. Next, tap directly on your specific Gmail account address. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Smart Features and Personalization. Read the fine print. When you turn this setting on, you agree to let Gmail use your email content to personalize your experience. Turn that toggle completely off. Right below that, you will see a second toggle for Smart Features and Personalization in other Google products. Turn that off as well. This completely blinds the AI and stops it from sharing your inbox data with other Google services. And just like that, your private emails are actually private again. But locking down your inbox is only half the battle if your phone's operating system is still leaking your data in the background. To help you finish the job, I've put together the Mobile Privacy Shield Guide. It's a free, step-by-step checklist of the 10 essential settings you need to change right now to go ghost mode, including how to find that hidden Safety Core app Google snuck onto your device. Click the link in the description to grab your free copy and join our inner circle for the latest privacy alerts. Once your data is locked down, you need to fix your storage. Right now, every time you delete an app from your phone, you are actually doing it completely wrong, leaving massive, hidden database folders behind to rot on your hard drive. Click the video on your screen right now titled, "You are deleting apps wrong. Do this instead." I'm going to show you the deep delete method you must use to vaporize an app and instantly reclaim your gigabytes. Click right there to clean up your phone. Make sure you are subscribed to the Software Navigator, and I'll see you over in that video. If this quick privacy audit helped you secure your data today, do me a favor and press that like button to help push this warning to other vulnerable users. Drop a comment below and let me know. Did you find Safety Core active on your phone?